Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we'll go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of X Twitter. Here you can update your app as you see in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.